New Year's Magic review and free giveaway. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingvlog.com, and it's this time of the month and of the year for me to do a free giveaway. I'm releasing my brand new product called New Year's Magic on the 29th of December at 10 a.m. Eastern, and right now you can win a free copy. So I'm going to tell you how to win a free copy in the end of this video, but first of all let me show you what the product is about and what you can expect on the sales page, inside the members area, and also the funnel. Okay, so let me share my screen and let's jump into this New Year's Magic review and free giveaway. As you can see, the sales page says New Year's Magic. Get free fully automated commission systems for the price of one. Copy and paste plus done for you plus viral traffic plus a reseller's license. So you're actually getting 4 in 1. So you're gonna get a reseller's license to all free products included. Get ready for huge commissions in 2020. So what we did is, instead of coming up with a brand new product for you guys, a brand new formula, we put in 3 of our top money making systems in one, and we topped it off with a reseller's license to all free. Okay, so the first system is a copy and paste 5-minute formula you can make money instantly with. Then you're gonna scale this up with done for you system for making $1,000 commissions, and to really scale this up we include a viral traffic software so you can just blow this out of proportions. Okay, so this is the headline. You can go through all of the sales page in your own time. Again, me and Vic, we are behind the curve. So again, you're gonna get the copy paste formula, done for you formula, and a viral traffic system as well. Obviously we got some proof. New Year's Magic, that's the name of this product. We got some testimonials as always, some proof obviously. I'm just scrolling down, you can go through all of it when you want. So we got some bonuses right here. So as you can see, we have 8 bonuses right here on the sales page. 30 days money back guarantee as always, and that's essentially it. And the cool thing is that you only have to pay $10.99. Okay, so one of these systems would normally cost you $17. You're getting free plus a reseller's license is normally $97 to $197. So this is worth hundreds of dollars if you would like to buy it outside of this page. And obviously you're getting all free plus the reseller's licenses for $10.99, and you can win a free copy if you're gonna stick with me until the end of this video. Okay, so the first copy and paste formula is Flip Magic. It won the W's of the Day award, and as you can see, Flip Magic currently sells for $10.99 as well. You're gonna get Local Magic. This one shows you how to get $1,000 commissions. As you can see, this one sells for $16.80 right now. And the third one is Viral Traffic Magic, our viral piece of software, and it currently sells for, as you can see, $10.99 as well. Okay, so you're getting all free for the price of one, and also you're getting reseller's license to all free. Okay, so this is how the inside of the members area looks like. Now there's not much more to it than just clicking on the product of your choice and accessing the members area. Okay, so again, you're getting free members areas to Viral Traffic Magic, to Flip Magic, and to Local Magic, and a reseller's license to all free. So this is how you're going to access it. I'm not going to be doing any demos. You can look this up on YouTube or anywhere else you want. So this is what you're getting, an amazing 3-in-1, or actually 4-in-1 deal. And right now let me show you all of the upsells. So as you can see, the main price, it says $16.95, but this will be actually after the launch. So the launch price is $10.99. OTO number 1, upsell number 1 will be $37, and this is New Year's Magic Ultimate. So more advanced feature and a 4-in-1 suite as well. OTO number 2, we got Advanced Training and New Year Magic Advanced. So this will be $29.95 early bird and $39.95, that's the end price. Audio number 3, we get $1 trial. So this is our I Am Academy. You're getting 300 plus videos on every single aspect of making money online. That's a $1 trial. Audio number 4, we got I Am Traffic Academy. We called it the Traffic Bible, and it's $67. And if you want a live I Am Bootcamp, this will be audio number 5, $147. Now, all of the audios are optional, and you'll be fine with the New Year's Magic product alone because you're getting free products plus a reseller license. But you can definitely think about picking one of these up if you want to make your life a little bit easier. And if you want to win a free copy, all you have to do if you're watching on YouTube right now is like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment. It can be anything, it can be a testimonial or just saying hi, and I will be taking 10% of the people that did these 4 things, and 10% will be winners. Okay, so if 100 people will do these 4 things, 10 people will win a free copy, and I'll be announcing the free copy winners 5 minutes before New Year's Magic goes live. Okay, so New Year's Magic will be going live on the 29th of December at 10 a.m. Eastern. So at 9:55 a.m. I will be announcing winners on my blog. Okay, so right here in the description, if you're watching on YouTube, the first link will take you to the sales page, and the second link will take you to my blog, to the giveaway winners. And if you are watching on my blog, just click one of the links to pick it up with an early bird discount if you won't win. Okay, so even if you won't win, you can still pick it up for $10.99, an amazing low price. And again, you're getting a copy and paste formula. This is for fast commissions, even the same day. Then you're gonna scale it up to $1,000 per commission, and then you're gonna scale this up even more with the viral traffic software. Okay, so this is something truly amazing. I know that all of you guys will make a ton of money this way. So again, instead of coming up with a new formula for you guys, we just took 3 of our best formulas and we bundled it all together so you can really be successful in 2020. I hope you're gonna enter the giveaway, so maybe you can win a free copy. And again, even if you want, you can still grab it with an early bird discount for just $10.99. Super reduced price. So guys, if you have any questions, please leave me a comment. Do these 4 things. Again, like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment to enter the giveaway. And I'll be seeing you when New Year's Magic goes live. That's again the 29th of December at 10 a.m. Eastern. Ciao.